There's one sentence from Machiavelli, and once you hear it, you'll never look at people the same way again. He said, people forget the death of their father faster than they forget the loss of their inheritance. He wasn't attacking humanity. He was revealing it. People can handle emotional pain but touch their benefit, and their real nature appears instantly. If you want to understand power, trust, and even relationships, remember this: loyalty follows interest before emotion. Machiavelli wasn't teaching paranoia. He was warning you, understand people's interests, and you protect yourself from betrayal. Follow me for more truths no one dares to explain.